Well, I show you guys in TV cartoon. In video, I showed you how to form a picture Samsung TV. The Samsung TV. Alright, so let's start it now. On the remote, the rock remote, arm rock remote. So the mobile TV comes in bộ cái tiếng nó coi à. Flip picture us. Flip phải tối sai đây à. You on the compound you have a remote. Now on the remote we click for key 1 second and it is 4 6. Why? His muting 119 enter. You can see service menu. So on the remote here, it's not happen to if you need to do the service menu, and I want to be an option to MIT option. You can find in hardware flip a function when people is there. You can so turn on, do not turn on for on. Hardware flip, and this so the function not available for a TV for intercom and support. If we now control go into shop option, you can see play mode. To turn on for off for play mode, we turn on demo to you cancel. Now if people wait till you can set the model example. If the model connect with 65, yeah, it's 65. Put the heavy to go and select again the model heavy guy. Select okay, and so the fit is very easy. Okay, so I super show you give you how to fix the problem with people hide this. Please don't hide this. Thank you.